Let's talk about the time value of money and how it plays a role in assessing contractual cash flows for financial assets. The time value of money is an element of interest that reflects the value of money over time. It compensates the lender for the mere passage of time. This element doesn't account for other factors like credit risk, liquidity risk, or administrative costs. It's purely about the benefit or cost of holding money over a specific period. When evaluating whether cash flows represent solely payments of principal and interest, SPPI, entities must carefully consider the currency of the financial asset and the period for which the interest rate is set. Both factors influence whether the time value of money is adequately reflected. What happens with a modified time value of money? Sometimes the time value of money isn't perfect. For instance, there may be a mismatch between the frequency of the interest rate resets and the tenor of the instrument. Imagine this scenario. An instrument references the 3-month LIBOR as its interest rate. Ideally, the rate should reset every 3 months to match the tenor. But what if the interest rate resets monthly instead of every 3 months? This creates a mismatch between the reset frequency and the tenor, resulting in an imperfect time value of money. How should this be assessed? When such mismatches occur, entities need to determine whether the contractual cash flows still qualify as SPPI. This involves two potential steps. 1. Qualitative assessment. The entity evaluates whether the mismatch significantly affects the cash flows. For example, does the monthly reset cause the cash flows to deviate substantially from what would be expected in a basic lending arrangement? 2. Quantitative assessment. If a qualitative assessment isn't enough, the entity performs a quantitative analysis to measure the impact of the mismatch on the cash flows. This helps confirm whether the time value of money is still consistent with SPPI criteria. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.